We're riding on the boat.
The Maid of the Mist boat.
Good.
Let me go, bro. Okay.
The ParvTube Show. All right, what is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video here on the ParvTube Show. It's Parv, and today's a very special day because, number one, it's 4th of July, so happy Independence Day to America. Number two, we are doing another vlog, baby. So that's very exciting. We are going to be going to Port Aransas, Texas, baby. Yeah. I'm just kidding. We are not going to Port Aransas to spend time in the beach. We are heading out of state to Niagara Falls to see the iconic waterfall. So yeah, that's very exciting. Just come along with us. It's gonna be fun. Hi? You want to say hi? Good. Good. All right, guys, so we're here. The beautiful Niagara Falls. See over there. That's the mist. Maid of the Mist. But yeah, there's so many people here. It looks incredibly chaotic, just like the Gateway of Mumbai. So yeah, beautiful place. Okay guys, so we just went back to the bridge. Oh my god. My dad just scared me. Yep, that's my dad back there. So yep, we visited the bridge. and I'm hungry right now, so we're about to find a restaurant near the state park. It's just a beautiful place down here. So we will talk to you guys soon once we hit the restaurant. All right. Well, that wraps up day one of Niagara Falls. We're heading back to the hotel now. So in the meantime, good night. We'll see you guys for day two. Please get out of this traffic. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to day two of our Niagara Falls 2024 summer trip. Yesterday was a lot of fun. We visited downtown Niagara Falls and the state park, and we saw some fireworks there because it was 4th of July yesterday. That was fun. There were so many people at the state park, and today we are going to visit downtown Niagara Falls again, and we are going to go on the Maid of the Mist boat tour, and we're also going to see more of the Canada side. So I can't wait to start off day two. So let's get going. Breakfast for the day. All right, we got ready. Now, time to get in. We are now on Rainbow Bridge. All right, y'all. This is the moment of truth. That right there, that is the USA. And over here is Canada. That's right, we're in Canada, folks. Here we are. So awesome. All right, y'all, so this is the downtown Niagara Falls here in Canada, Ontario, Canada, which is nice. And look at this, you can see a lot of places here. Wow, bowling, Tim Hortons. It feels like an amusement park or a carnival, which is nice. All right, y'all, so first attraction that we're going is that beautiful Skywheel Ferris wheel, which is huge, just like the one in Chicago. And let's go. Baba, all good?
I'm very good, very nice.
Excited?
Yeah.
All right.
So much excited in Canada.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's go. How do you like the ride, Baba? Good?
Okay.
Dad, how about you?
Pretty scared. I'm fine.
I'm not scared, but this is fun.
Good.
This is what you call a fake volcano. See, there's the rest of Niagara Falls, and you can see the mist.
Right.
Incredible. Okay, y'all, so we went to the Niagara Ferris wheel. It was amazing. Now we're at this place.
One eternity later.
Baba, how was the ride?
Good. Amazing, amazing.
How about you, Dad? How was the ride?
It was pretty good. Intense.
Yep. The cart ride was incredible. I had a great time. It reminds me of playing Mario Kart. I just keep playing until I got on that ride, and that was incredible. Well, we went there to rest, and now let's head to the falls. So over there is Great American Falls, and back there where that big mist is, that is Horseshoe Falls. And back down there is Maid of the Mist. Well, we checked the wait time for the zip line, and it's 3 hours. It's crazy, right? All right, originally don't want to go to the zip line because I'm kind of scared, and I haven't done zip lines for like many years ago, but due to the wait time, we're not going. So all we have to do is just rest. My dad and my grandpa are just resting right now, figuring out what needs to be done. So yeah. This is our lunch for the day. Well, we're at the parking lot. Now let's head back to the hotel to rest. There's another Hard Rock Cafe in the Canada side. Back of the room. We're watching a soccer match right now. And now time to rest.
A few moments later.
It's about to rain. Well, there's gonna be light rain. I took some rest, and now let's head to the falls. Well, here we are at this parking spot. Let's head to the falls. All right, so we bought the tickets. We're gonna use the elevator because my grandpa is not able to walk. So yeah, it is what it is. Onwards and upwards, here we go. All right, y'all, so we were at our first line. This is the second line to get downstairs for Maid of the Mist. So again, onwards and upwards, here we go. Okay, we're going. Here we go. All right, y'all. We're riding on the boat. The Maid of the Mist boat. Yeah. Oh! Isn't that wild? My grandpa having a good time. There's Horseshoe Falls. This is how it is. We get into the mist and we come out of the mist. Whoa! I tell you, this is how it is, folks. Oh my god, my god. Let me go, bro. Okay, okay. So this is how it is, folks. Beautiful ride it is. I got a little wet. GoPro did a little too. But hey, it's still going. Pat, how's the ride? Good. Baba? How about you? How's the ride? Good?
Good, very nice. It's the best USA trip.
Nice. Okay, now we're heading back to the port. So we'll see you then. There's the observation deck up there. And there's downtown Niagara Falls in Canada. LMAO. All right, y'all, so we just got out of the Maid of the Mist exit line, and we went through the store. The boat ride was incredible. Thankfully, the GoPro didn't get wet. The microphones kind of got, but yeah, it is what it is, folks. So now, time to rest up before we head to a restaurant for dinner. All right, y'all. I'm here at the top of Niagara Falls. The Great American Falls. Look at all the water. It's just incredible. Baba, all good?
All good.
Dad, how about you?
I'm good too. Looking for food.
All right, so everyone is good. So let's go ahead to that restaurant where we eat dinner. It's our dinner for the day. Well, that wraps up day 2 for Niagara Falls 2024 summer trip. This is our final night here. We've been to so many places like Maid of the Mist, which that ride was incredible. We also visited the Canada side for Niagara Falls, which was awesome. And yeah, that's it. Now, time to sleep. Good night. We will see you tomorrow for our final day. Well, good morning. Welcome to day 3. Yep, this is our final day here at Niagara Falls. We could have stayed longer, but I've got some college credit classes for the next 4 weeks. And then right after that, school's about to start. Senior year, right? It's gonna be bittersweet. Anyways, what are we going to be doing today is we are going to the Canada side again. We're going to be meeting some of our old family friends from Cincinnati, Ohio. They came to visit too. We're going to be meeting them there and see some other places around Niagara. And yep, heading to the airport. We're going to be taking 2 flights, one to Chicago and then another back home to Austin. But I can't wait to start the final day, so let's get going. Okay, we got all of our stuff and we checked out. Now let's head to the car. Well, here we are again. Same place from yesterday, and let's go. Meet some special guests. They came from Cincinnati. Vihan. Hey, man, say hi. So we're going to the Speedway? Yeah. I'm super excited. Let's go. Hey, how was the ride, man?
It was good.
How about you? How was the ride? That's nice. All right, good. All right, Vihan, where are we heading next?
Laser tag.
Let's go. Mario Kart. Wahoo!
Meanwhile,
Hey, we're at Mirror Maze. Whole point is to solve it. Let's go. Okay, so there was literally no light in the laser tag, but the Mirror Maze was just interesting. We just came through the entrance. Now let's go to the other 2. Okay, now we're going to Cannon Blasters. Let's go. Oh my god!
eventually,
And just like that, Vihan is gone. Now, we're heading back to the car, and we're gonna go get some food for lunch. gate to Chicago. My grandpa is resting right now and my dad is getting a souvenir for my sister. So yeah, there's our plane. We made it to Austin. Now let's get an Uber and head back home. All right, y'all. We made back home. I gotta tell you, man, Niagara Falls was just something else, man. It was a treat. We went to see the 3 waterfalls, went on the incredible Maid of the Mist boat ride, and we also went to the Canada side where we visited Clifton Hill. Unexpectedly, we also saw our family friends there, so that was surprising. But it was just awesome, man. Like, this is one of the best trips I've ever gone to. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys liked it, and please do the things I've told y'all to do. Make sure to like, make sure to comment, ring that notification bell, and of course, subscribe to the channel. Also to follow me on social media, Instagram, and also to make sure to fill out that Google form for more video ideas. We'll be back with more. Until next time, peace, Gupta Nation out. I don't think there's any light here. I could have got the light, but yeah, it is what it is. All right.